unwrapping something perfect for your indoor cats. The 3-in-1 interactive cat toy. And it even comes with a surprise. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. This little gadget has 5 laser patterns to keep your kitty on the hunt, plus 6 hidden feather holes ready to play. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check this out. You plug it in right here. I love the design. Check it out. Little kitty's head. I love it. Super cute. Está hermoso. Shadow is gonna love this. It's time for Shadow to have some playtime. Here's everything that comes in the box, and it's very easy to assemble. Perfect. No batteries needed. It's rechargeable. This 3-in-1 interactive cat toy is a total win for curious kitties. With 360 degrees, laser patterns, and surprise feathers, it's a non-stop excitement. Keeps your cat entertained, alert, and moving. Great for daily exercise. Perfect for solo play when you're out running errands. And Shadow is loving playtime. Keeps him busy and excited. Peace of mind for you, fun for them, a must-have for any cat home.